I'm an Upwork top-rated plus AI developer with over 45 successfully delivered projects under my belt. Pleasure to see you here. My name is Max, and have fun watching this video. Hi, pleasure to have your attention. I will prepare the testing call of Sarah, AI recruiter for Mark Ellis, GCC-based recruitment agency, and in this video you will see the whole process from A to Z, where myself will be the potential candidate for the job. Meanwhile, the AI recruiter, Sarah, is completely autonomously and automatically handling the conversation with me and going with the flow of the call in general. I will initiate the call right now, and additionally I will attach the link to the stereo recording of the whole conversation, so you can re-listen to it as much as you need it, or maybe even pass it to AI in order to get some analysis as you may need. So let me start it. You will see I will receive the call now. Here we go.
Hello? Is this Max?
Hello. Yes.
Hi, Max. How's your day going so far?
It's going well. Whom am I talking to?
Glad. I'm Sarah from Mark Ellis. Have you heard of Mark Ellis before?
No. What do you need?
Alright, no problem. Mark Ellis is a leading UAE-based recruitment and professional services firm. We partner with top regional and international clients. I'm an AI recruiter directly supporting the account manager for a senior data engineer role based in Dubai with one of our trusted clients. The role is offered on a permanent basis. Your background really stood out for this position. Are you currently open to new opportunities?
Yes, I am.
Great to hear. My goal today is to understand your background for the senior data engineer opportunity. According to your CV, you're working at HSBC. Is that still right?
Not quite. I resigned 2 weeks ago.
Got it. Thanks for clarifying. Where are you working now? Or are you currently between roles? And
I'm between roles now.
Thanks for letting me know, Max. Can you walk me through your experience with cloud data pipelines?
Yes, I have managed over 10 projects which include cloud data pipelines. Mostly we used AWS at the previous company I worked at.
That's a solid foundation. Have you worked with real-time data streaming tools like Kafka or Spark Streaming in any of those projects?
Yeah, we used Kafka for real-time data streaming.
Great. And what about data modeling and warehouse architecture? What's your exposure there?
I wasn't in the direct charge of that part, but I was one of the people who designed the architecture of our data warehouse, plus set up the pipelines for the dynamic dashboards in data visualization section of our project. We utilized mostly AWS database for data storage, as well as the Tableau as the software for creating charts and interactive dashboards.
Thanks. Could you walk me through a project where pipeline and worked on the data warehouse architecture. What was your individual role and how did you measure success?
Yes, so the main measurement of success was the error rate. The target number was 2%, and at the end we were able to overachieve it. We reached the point of just 0.3% of errors when adding the records to the pipeline, and the records mm, records were added after each call made it by the AI recruiter to the candidate, and we had the huge volume. It was literally tens of thousands of calls per day globally.
That's impressive, Max. There was such a low error rate at that scale. Switching gears a bit, tell me about working in multicultural or big teams. What's your approach to collaboration?
I'm being solution oriented, therefore I just not get centered on some potential misunderstandings I might have with the person I collaborate with, but I simply team up with them against the problem which we are targeting and solving in tandem.
I like that approach, focusing on the problem rather than you share a challenge in team setting and how to resolve it.
Yes,
Go ahead.
Yeah.
I'd love to hear about that challenge and how you handled it.
Yeah, sure. Me and my team had the issue with one member who was constantly coming late to the meetings, and the way we were able to fix it once and I assume forever is that we started the meeting 20 minutes later ourselves, and that guy who was coming late, he had to wait for 15 minutes because he was usually coming late 5 minutes, and this way he felt the pain of having to wait, and after that he was coming on time every meeting.
That's clever. I think with you sharing your getting to work right now.
I want to work more with AI tools in my career, and I think my previous company wasn't providing me with that opportunities.
Makes sense. In your next role, what would be most important to you? Is it the tech stack, the team culture, growth opportunities, or something else?
Tech stack would be the most important. I want to work with AI tools hands-on in the production environment.
I see from your CV that you're based in Abu Dhabi. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's right.
Thanks for confirming. Would you be open to relocating to Dubai for the right opportunity?
Yeah, sure.
For our records and visa purposes, if needed, what is your nationality?
I don't want to provide this information.
No problem, Max. I respect your privacy. Let's move on. What notice period, if any, do you have currently?
None, because I resigned 2 weeks ago.
Understood. Can I ask your current and expected monthly salary is?
$15,000 per month.
Thank you for sharing that. Based on what you told me, here's a quick snapshot of the role and client. You'd be joining a regional leader in digital transformation and financial services, working on a leading cloud-native data platform overhaul project. It's a strategic, long-term role with visibility to C-level stakeholders and a strong focus on AI and advanced engineering. Does this sound like something you'd like to explore further?
It does.
Fantastic. I'll share your profile internally and send you an email with more details. Could you confirm if your best email is still maxemail.com?
Not quite. It's maxmat at gmail.com.
Thanks for updating that, Max. Max@gmail.com. Thank you so much for chatting today. Do you have any extra questions for me before you wrap up?
Do I need to do anything else to continue with the opportunity?
Great question. For now, keep an eye out for my email. Please reply with your latest CV if you haven't already, and let me know if anything changes on your end. I'll handle the rest. Updated on. Thanks again for your time, Max. Great day. My end call message, then end call.
Okay, thank you. Bye. So here it was. Leave your opinion and just let me know your thoughts. Thank you very much for watching. Press the like button if you like this video. Press the dislike button under someone else's video if you didn't like this particular piece of content. Also leave the comment either why you love this video or something else. Thank you very much for your attention. And if you're not dummy and you want to save hours of time and add thousands of dollars to your business's profit margins, then book a free AI audit call for your business in the first link in the description below. Let's automate the things together. And subscribe.